Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to post your first YouTube video. First, ensure you are signed into your YouTube account. Look for the Create button, often a plus sign icon, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Click it, then choose Upload Video. You can then easily drag and drop your video file into the designated area or browse your computer to select the file you wish to upload. This is your exciting first step. Once your video begins uploading, it is time to add crucial details. Craft a compelling title, keeping it concise, ideally under 100 characters. Next, write a thorough description, incorporating keywords and up to 3 relevant hashtags to boost discoverability. Don't forget to upload a custom thumbnail. A recommended size is 1280 by 720 pixels. Finally, clearly indicate if your video is made for children to comply with regulations. Now decide on your video's visibility. You can choose public for everyone to see, unlisted to share only with a direct link, or private for personal viewing. YouTube will automatically check your content for any potential copyright issues, which is a vital step. You can also enhance viewer engagement by adding interactive elements like end screens, which appear at the video's conclusion, and cards, which pop up during playback. With all details in place, you are ready to publish. You can choose to make your video live instantly or schedule it for a specific date and time. After publishing, share your video link widely across your social media channels to maximize its reach and attract more viewers. Remember to regularly check YouTube analytics to understand your audience and track your video's performance, helping you refine your content strategy for future uploads.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.